How to convert JPEG to PDF file. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your JPEG file over here and you're going to right click on it. After that, click on show more option and you have the option called print over here. So regardless if you have any printer attached to your device or your computer, it will appear. So simply click on print and this should pop up over here. Now, you're just simply going to select a specific photo that will fit your design or your image. For example, let's go with this one. And after that, what you're going to do is you're just simply going to click on print over here. You can also modify the size over here on the top, by the way, if you want to change things up, as you can see. But anyway, after this, simply click on print and it should pop up another window over here that would actually allow us to save it as a PDF file. So now over here, let me go to the same file over here, PDF, click on save, and there we go. You saw in the background, we were able to save it as a PDF, as you can see. So now if I open this one, it should show us our image over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.